Justice Clare Henry's distinguished legal career began as a law assistant and a senior law assistant in the New York City Civil Court and the New York State Supreme Court in Brooklyn, having completed her studies at New York Law School. She subsequently served as Crown Counsel in the Attorney General's chambers for Antigua and Barbuda from 1986 to 1989 before establishing her private law practice. In 1994, she became a magistrate, ascending to the position of Chief Magistrate in 2000. She was appointed as a High Court judge for the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court in 2004 and served as High Court judge in Grenada from 2008 to 2014. President of the Grenada Bar Association, Derek Sylvester, has extended condolences to the family of the now deceased former High Court judge.
Justice Henry didn't only serve as a judge in the civil court, she also practiced extensively in the criminal court. So she would have met all, if not most, of the attorneys in Grenada during the period that she sat. I recall that the Bar Association then had a grand send-off for her when she was leaving the state of Grenada to sit in another jurisdiction. And subsequently, she was elevated to the Court of Appeal, where she acted for some time prior to her retirement. So again, we extend our condolences to the family of Justice Clare Henry and to all her brother and sister judges who sat with her.
Attorney Sylvester recalled interacting with Justice Henry during her stint on the island. He said she will be remembered for her calm, confident, and pleasant nature when she sat, irrespective of the nature of the matter, criminal or civil.
She exuded a calm, pious confidence. I recall that she was a Seventh-day Adventist, and she always encouraged attorneys and clients to be prayerful and also to be mindful of the fact that there are two types of judgments. You have earthly judgments and you have divine judgment. She was a Seventh-day Adventist, and I recall, on her vehicle, she had a sticker, and it was written on that sticker, "Life is short, pray long." But she would be sorely missed, and to her family, we extend condolences on behalf of the Grenada Bar Association.
Attorney Anselm Clouden, who recalls appearing before Madam Justice Henry on several occasions, shared his sentiments on her passing.
He was a very, very scholastic judge, one who had no doubt attained lofty heights of scholastic objectivity, and it was reflected in her judgments. She gave some well-reasoned judgment, very succinct, and with great precision of language. I extend my profound sympathy. She would be missed. I appeared before her because she was in charge of court number 1, so I appeared before her very many times, too numerous to mention. And she was always so pedantic with her pronouncements, and it was a pleasure to sit in her court, to conduct a trial in her court.
For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.